is going on YouTube? Welcome back again to another unboxing video. How are you the hell? I make so dang many videos these days, man, I can't even remember what I'm making videos about. It's incredible. I mean, it's very time consuming, and I get confused on what I'm doing sometimes in the video department. I'm going to have to hire an editor, I think, and I need to hire several people to answer comments and emails and PMs. Oh my! Well, here's the box, and it's like it's got a lot of stuff in there. Tell you about the sender of this. I'm pretty sure it's okay to tell you about him. The guy sent this, name's Todd Taylor. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link below here, right down there, to his channel if you want to check him out. He holds the world's Guinness Book of World Record for the fastest banjo player on the planet. Or I don't know, maybe he holds it for other planets. I'm not sure about that, but I do know he holds it for the one fastest banjo player on Earth. And I checked him out, and he is fast, man. I played banjo for like 30 years myself. I got one video up on this channel of me playing banjo. You can search for it if you want to see it. Or maybe I'll put a link down there. Probably not. You can search for it if you want to see it. Anyways, I played banjo for 30 years, and I know what speed's about. And Todd, man, I think he played that song at like 200 some beats per minute. Something like that. But anyways, check Todd's channel out. And check Todd out. And let's, in the meantime, let's see what he's sent. He tried to get a hold of me, I guess, and I don't know if he sent email or... I get so many emails, man, it's impossible. It's getting quickly impossible to even read them all. And I got one from Jerry Rosa. And Jerry said, Randy, Todd's trying to get a hold of you. He wants your address. Well, Jerry had my address. So he went ahead and, I think he went ahead and gave it to Todd. He remembered having it after he sent that email. And but after I got the email from Jerry, then I looked up Todd's email up and sent him my address, and got this. So let's see what Todd sent. Looks like a whole box full of goodies, man. Whoa. Well, we'll go through every little piece of it, one at a time. All these things is cool, man. Those are cool. I've got a little blue one around here somewhere. I use it a lot. It should be laying right there, but it's, I swear, man, when you turn that camera on, if you want to find something, you might as well turn the camera off because you're not going to find it. Anyways, you clip things onto the end of that and carry them around. I usually carry a little flashlight and sometimes my keys, sometimes a blue chip pick pouch with a blue chip pick in it. So I'm going to set that right over here. And this is what just about fell out. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see it better like that. Let me just take it out of the bag and show you. That way you'll be able to see it. Hold it against my black shirt. There you go. I don't know if you wear that on your... Yeah, you can wear that around, put a chain in that. Wear it around your neck. I wear a lot of necklaces, so that's probably where that will go. It's got a hole through it like where you can put a chain on it. Put a chain on it, yeah. Put it on the chain? I don't know. Alright, what's this? That's a very good question. What is that? I have no idea what this is. It's got a guitar plug on the end of it there. Looks like a quarter inch plug. Oh, it's a pickup, dude, for an acoustic guitar. Yeah, there's where you stick it on. Wow. Krivo pickups, or Krivo, K-R-I-V-O. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Very cool. I love experimenting with this stuff. I installed a Fishman Ellipse in one of my Martin guitars, and I'm going to do, I got one video on that, but it's a long one and it's not too good. I'm going to do another review on that pickup system. And I'm anxious to try this out, see what it sounds like. Some of these really sound true, man. So, cool, Todd, thank you for that. And the other stuff so far. There's more in there. Let's see what else we... Oh, another pickup, man. Dude, this is awesome. Same name. K-R-I-V-O pickups. I've never heard of those before. But I'm definitely going to be testing them out. What you do is just, I guess you could use double-sided adhesive tape. That other one had looked like some kind of goo. I can't think, man. Gummy stuff to stick it inside your guitar. I don't know if you stick it inside. I guess you can stick it anywhere you want. Wherever feels good. So there's 2 pickups. What did I do with the other one? Done lost it. Here it is. Wow, cool, man. 2 pickups. There's more. I think I see a love letter. It's a notebook. South Carolina Banjo, in honor of Todd Taylor. 2nd Tuesday in March annually. South Carolina Senate reoccur. I saw him in a video, I think, about this. Yeah, right there's the picture I saw. I'm pretty sure I did on YouTube, a YouTube video. Here's some of the pictures. Get it where the light is not glaring on it. Really thick pages. Paper, thick paper. That's very cool, man. Senator Glenn Reese and Todd Taylor with Governor Henry. I can't read it, man. It's wrote in some kind of funky font. I'll definitely read through this and check it out. To my friend Randy, Todd Taylor, the house that never sleeps. Cue ball is cool. Thank you, Todd. She's not here right now, or maybe she'll come in before this is over and I can give you all a fix of some sort. What else is that? What else is that? Every 2nd Tuesday in March, South Carolina Banjo Day in honor of Todd Taylor. That's really cool, man. I didn't know they had that. I didn't know you did it annually like that. Alright, what else? I see a whole bunch of stuff. A plate mate. Oh, man. I have every size of these that they make except one. Whatever size that last Martin was that I put one in. It was 2 1/8. Man, how did you know? That's what that is, 2 1/8. And there's, again, what the plate mate looks like when you buy them. Maybe you can see 2 1/8 marked, checked on there. I don't know. I can't see the camera too good. Wow. Yes, that'll definitely get used. In fact, it may go in one of those D28s over there. Gretsch. Stickers. Always can use stickers, man. In fact, I've got some right over here that I'm going to be sticking up pretty soon. I'm going to put it with them. I've just been trying to decide where to put those at. Alright, let's see. To my friend Randy. What do we have here? It's big. Gretsch celebrating 135 years. This looks like, well, I'll just hold it up and let you look at it. Hopefully you can see it, because when I can't see the camera, I can't tell if it's glaring on it or not. That's that side. And here is this side. You can pause the camera. Oh, it unfolds. There's more. Okay, there's one side. Hopefully this will be a high enough resolution you can zoom in on this stuff if you want. If you see something you want to read about. I don't know if it's Gretsch. It's history on Gretsch. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I don't see any prices on anything. I think it's what it is. It's like a whole bunch of history on Gretsch equipment. 135 years, celebrating 135 years of that great Gretsch sound. That's what it is. It's got dates clear back to 1883, 1895, 1820. Wow. It's gonna be, I love stuff like this, man. I'm going to go through it and read everything in there. For sure, I will. You can count on that, because I love stuff like that. I haven't even got to the love letter yet. Here's I assume it's okay to show you. This is Todd's card. It's got his phone number and stuff on there. I don't know, man. He must be sponsored by GHS Strings and Gretsch. There's the back side of it. I assume this is his business card, so I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. There you go. You probably didn't get the phone number and link. It's Todd Taylor, banjoman.com. Todd Taylor at toddtaylorbanjoman.com. Okay, naturally, I should have known that's what it would be. I don't know how I'm going to get my hands in there. Oops. I don't want to dox him too bad. Let's just go ahead and dig some stuff out. Maybe I could pour it out. There's nothing in it that would break. I think that's it. Yeah. Now, we can go through it much easier. Alright, I see a CD. Guinness's video from Guinness site. Paradise City. Banjo, Todd Taylor. I bet this might be, it might be where when he won that, the World Guinness's Book, or World Book of Guinness's World Records. Guinness's Book of World Records, man. This might be the CD, and I don't know if it's a video or audio. It's probably a video of the CD of him actually winning that spot. Wow, check this out. Now, I'm pretty sure now, I have all the plate mates. Okay, here's 2 3/16, another 2 1/8. Those are the ones that really go a lot for standard spacing for Martin. And 2 5/16. Well, I can tell you, man, these will all 4 get used. I've got every one of those sizes. There's 9 of them. I have them all except the 2 1/8, and I have 2 2 1/8 now, and that's good because one of them I think is going to go in that D28 Martin over there. So that's excellent, man. Todd, wow, dude. I never expected to get all this stuff, man. Lucky 13. Now I assume that's one of Todd's. This is one of Todd's CDs. I'm thinking that's sure what it looks like. See that? Yeah, it's got the song titles on the back. 15 songs. Stairway to Heaven. You guys need to check him out, man. You know, a lot of people think of a banjo as a bluegrass instrument, and it is. But people nowadays are taking it completely out of the galaxy. I mean, they're doing things with it. Bela Fleck, I followed him a long time, studied his stuff, and learned to play his songs. And when I was playing banjo, that's who I was listening to. Of course, Earl Scruggs, and not the same Earl that we know. There's 2 of these here. Oh, there's 3 of them. Okay. Lucky 13, they're all 3 the same thing. So, I know some of you guys that watch the channel is banjo players. Troy, I know you play banjo because I tracked you down and listened to some of your shit, man. And it was good. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is another thing you put a chain through, I assume. Or, I guess I could hang it up. Put a little nail through it, you can't see it. Put a little nail through it and hang it on the wall. There, you can see it with my black shirt in the background, I think, better. That's cool, man. It's got some kind of, it's like a diamond or something in the center of it. Now this, I don't know what this is. And I just found 2 guitar knobs. Did I was going to say that had to come out of that box because I never had those. What else may have rolled up under there? Check this, these is cool. Guitar volume knobs, looks like it's got, I don't know if that's abalone in the center, or maybe if I hold them down here. I don't know, I can't see the camera. Yeah, I think you can see it there. It's awful to get old, man. You lose your sight, you lose your hearing, you shake. Oh, this is cool, man. To my friend Randy, Todd Taylor. Check this out. I don't know if you can see the writing is up here. But yeah, man, you guys check Todd out. Even if you don't like banjo stuff, listen to him because this dude plays, he goes way out there and plays just like I did. Read you some of these songs here. Stairway to Heaven, bluegrass version. Free Bird. Amazing Grace, Unleashed. Jimi Hendrix Tribute. Ghost Riders. Stairway to Heaven again. Writer Robert Plant. Train 45. How Great Thou Art, Crazy Train. I Can't Stop Loving You, Six Guns, Waterfall. Man, you got to check this dude out. I'm telling you. Like I say, even if you don't like banjo music, you'll probably hear something you do like. Because Todd plays all kinds of stuff. And is very, very good at it too. I got to add that. Well, Todd, thank you so much, man. Wow. This is incredible. These are going to go to use right away, these volume knobs. I just saw them laying there. I didn't see them roll out of the box. And I thought, I never had any knobs like that. You know? So, let's go through it again. Got the picture, 3 CDs, volume and tone knob, a necklace, or maybe even pin that on the wall. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. 4 plate mates. Wow, thank you, man. I think this, well, no, these are Todd CD. Oh, they're Guinness's, the Guinness's CD. I think that's what that is. Yeah, that's what it says anyway. His business card, a cross, some Gretsch history. That's going to be interesting. I can't wait to look at that. And South Carolina Banjo Day that they have. Anybody that's in South Carolina every second Tuesday of every March, stop in, holler at Todd, say hello. And 2, not 1, but count them, 2 acoustic instrument pickups. I was going to say guitar pickups, but I need to get online and look at this brand up, because I don't know. They may be specifically for guitar, or maybe, I'm assuming by the size of them, probably for guitar. It'd be hard to stick that on a violin or mandolin. But I'm going to look it up online and see, and they're different sizes too, see? See what I mean? This one is bigger than this one. Oh, y'all can probably see that. I'm going to have some fun playing with those though. Doing tests and things. Wow. Cheers, Todd. Buddy, you rock, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jerry Rosa, for telling me to get in touch with Todd. He's been trying to get in touch with me, and like I say, I can't. Emails and PMs, and it's just becoming almost, you know, I can barely read them all, have time to read them all, let alone reply to every one of them. And I'm sorry, guys, for that. But they come in so every day after day after day, and it just keeps getting more of them each day, too. And thank you for it. I'm glad. I like it. I dig it. Keep them coming. I'm still reading them all. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to do that, but as of right now, I'm still reading every one of them that comes in. And it takes a lot of time. And I'll reply to them as I can, you know. There again, if you want me to work on your guitar, or you just want to see your guitar on the channel, whether you send email or PM on Facebook, those are the best 2 ways to get in touch with me. Or message, a PM on YouTube, however you get in touch with me. Put guitar repair either in the subject of the email or the first words you say in a Facebook or YouTube message. And I'll go right to that, you know. If you don't do that, it may be weeks if I ever see your email or message. But keep them coming. I dig it. I mean, that's why I make videos. Try to help people and stuff. And thank you guys for that. And Todd, thank you, man. A double thumbs up. A great big thank you, dude. You rock. I'm going to go listen to these CDs like right now. Cheers. See you on the next video.